अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन, KBN न्यूज़ चैनल में आप तमाम का तहे दिल से इस्तकबाल है। आइए आज की अहम खबर पर नज़र डालते हैं।
Hyderabad being one of the biggest city in India with a population of 1 crore plus, we were one of the first to respond to the call of the situation, and after the cabinet decision was announced by Honorable Chief Minister, a warlike situation which emerged, and it warranted the participation of each and every constable officers in the city. Now today, when on the one hand we are enforcing the lockdown very strictly, on the other hand we are ensuring that the movement of essential items that should go unhindered. I will give an example. Hyderabad has a daily consumption during normal time 21 tons of vegetable. We are maintaining 18 to 19 tons of supply every day. In the same way, the COVID control, which is working in the Commissioner of Police office, we are coordinating to ensure that movement of each and every lorry, each and every truck from the Telangana border to the warehouse store, from there to the stockist, and the stockist to the retailer, everything is being monitored by our control, and so far there has not been any complaint of any scarcity of food anywhere, particularly with regard to the migrant laborers. As you are aware that Hyderabad being such a big city, there are thousands and thousands of migrant laborers who are camping here, and our Honorable CM have called them as partners of progress for Telangana, and he has made it a point that not even a single stomach should go without food. With the help of GHMC, private donors, philanthropists, and this COVID control room, more than 600 camps are being run, and in this regard we are also taking help of the e-commerce which are distributing these food items to the place where these workers are camping. So that is the situation. We are in full control of the whole thing. Public participation is good. All those people who have been tested positive, they are being treated. Now we are enumerating the first degree of contact, the second degree of contact, so that they can also be tested. Day before yesterday, I personally visited the Gandhi Hospital, which is the leading hospital as far as treatment for coronavirus is concerned, and there was an issue. A patient, COVID patient, had misbehaved with a doctor, and also one of the family members also misbehaved with the doctors. We have registered a case, and we sorted out all the issues. Additional security measures have been provided at each and every ward. Our constables were given the protective gear by the government. They have also gone inside there, and in shift system we are also performing the duty inside the hospital. In the same way, each and every hospital we have formed a team. There is also a social media group, one WhatsApp group, in which all our police officers and the local doctors, they are interacting, so that on a real time basis we can solve the problem if at all it is coming anywhere. Hyderabad city and Telangana government, we were the first to respond to the situation. The moment we got the information, we were the first to share all the details with Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of India. Not only that, we enlisted the entire passenger profiling of each and every flight, each and every train. We conducted technological analysis through CDR and other things, and above all human intelligence. We have identified each and every person who have come from Delhi and other places, and they have been categorized and accordingly shifted to either government quarantine center or to government hospital for further checkup. Not only that, we are also now in the process of enumerating the entire list of their first level of contact, second level of contact, so that those people who were in close proximity with these suspects are also examined. So as of now, things are absolutely under control. The public cooperation is also good there. Today being Friday, the maturity of the community is also such that there is no gathering in any of the masjid. They are matured enough to take the call, and on our suggestion, all the big priests, all the imams, the maulanas, they have given a call that prayers can be conducted from their house, and there is no need of coming to the masjid. In the same way, Bishop Thumbabala, who is the head of the various churches here, he has also given a call that live streaming of all the prayers will be done from all the churches, so that the devotees can watch them live from their residence, and there is no need of coming to the churches. 2 days back, when the Sri Ram Navami was there, and it is a very big festival in Hyderabad, more than 2 lakh people usually come on the road. But on our call and the call of the community leaders, not even a single people came on the road. They all worshipped, prayed for Lord Ram, sitting from their house. So this is a warlike situation, and in a warlike situation, we are getting full support from community of each and every religion, each and every background. As far as Hyderabad and Telangana state is concerned, each and every person have been identified. They have been shifted to a place of proper quarantine. Medical examination is going on. There are few names which have been either wrongly entered or the address is wrong. We are verifying that, and that will also be completed. But all the known people, they are shifted to quarantine center. The medical examination is also going on. My suggestion to each one of them is, first, I salute each one of you for maintaining self-discipline and self-restraint. And secondly, you are also fighting this battle. You are also a partner. You are also a soldier. The only difference is that your contribution is by remaining inside. By not coming outside, you are fighting the battle from there. We are fighting on the road. The doctors are fighting on the hospital. So this is a collective battle. Please maintain social distances. Only come out if there is any essential thing. Otherwise, stay at home and help us to fight this issue. Yes, Hyderabad has a very robust system of emergency response that is called Dial 100-100. There is another medical response 104. These are 24 hours available. Apart from that, exclusively for COVID control, we have formed a control room cell headed by an officer of the Joint Commissioner of Police rank in the Commissionerate, and the number is available also on the internet. For your information, I can repeat the number. It is 9490616780. I repeat, 9490616780. There is a landline number also, 23434343. I repeat, 23434343. For those who want to send us a message or anything on email, for that also there is an email ID, covid19.hyd, covid19.hyd@gmail.com. We are available 24 hours.
A1 टाउनशिप की एक और नई पेशकश, जहांगीर पीर दरगाह से 2 किलोमीटर पहले मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के करीब, जो कि बिल्कुल आबादी से लगा हुआ, बेंगलोर हाईवे से सिर्फ 5.5 किलोमीटर, बीटी रोड से लगा हुआ, तमाम डेवलपमेंट के साथ 5,50,000 में 100 गज का प्लॉट। A1 टाउनशिप में आपका ये छोटा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका और आपके बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल बदल सकता है। आज ही तशरीफ लाएं और A1 टाउनशिप के इस प्रोजेक्ट से फायदा उठाएं। ऑफिस एट पिलर नंबर 235, opposite Fisheries Department, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad.
Shaheen Group of Institutions presents Shaheen Academy in Hyderabad. Authenticity of result is our strength. The courses offered for MPC students are IIT, JEE and NEET coaching for BIPC students. Excellent and experienced faculty of 20 plus years. Disciplined, clean and good hostel campus for the students. Admissions are open at our branches in Malakpet, Masab Tank and Aramghar in Hyderabad. Hurry up. NEET crash course starts from 20th March 2020.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो यहाँ पर रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए, जिससे आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलती रहे।